Okay. We're done.
Hello, Grayson.
No, I'm Paw Patrol.
Hey, Paw Patrol.
So I ran to a lion dance and I liked it, but baby Sky was scared, so I scared too. Okay. I'll read lion dance. Okay.
Crayola. Chinese New Year's color. Chinese New Year's colors.
What is that?
It's Chinese New Year. Dong, 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 dong. People welcome the new year with families and friends.
What is this?
That's a lion dance. Boom, 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 boom. Green, purple, and red fireworks spark in the sky. Boom, boom, boom.
Are they scared?
No, it's beautiful. Chinese New Year, Happy New Year.
It's scary.
The red banners have sayings about happiness and hope. Grandpa. No, grandpa.
This is Daddy and this is Grayson.
Yeah. Celebrating the new year, people decorate with red. In Chinese culture, red is a color of happiness and good luck. So you have red envelope. Bright red envelope brings good luck. Parent gives red envelopes to their children. What inside? They fill with money.
We pay money so we could buy food.
Yeah. Colorful clothing. Red, gold, and new. Goodbye, old year. Hello, new year. New clothes.
I'm itchy.
Have us
On my
make a
butt.
fresh start, Katie. Blue, red, green, and gold fill the streets. Dancers wear colorful costumes during parades. Ding, 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 ding. These children wave traditional hand fans in Chinese New Year parade. Food and flowers. During Chinese New Year, people give bags of good luck. Golden tangerines may bring many riches. Their green leaves mean long life. In Chinese culture, the color gold is thought to be lucky. These treats are called spiral moon cake.
I want to eat one.
What color you want? What flavor is this? Okay. Green, what's the flavor?
Pear.
Pear or green tea or pistachio. How about purple? What's the flavor of this?
What color fruit is it? Grape.
Đúng rồi. How about red?
Strawberry.
Okay. How about pink?
I don't know what color.
Blood orange.
Black orange.
Family and friends eat sweet candy and cakes.
Daddy, you forgot this. Blueberry.
Blueberry. Okay, yellow, pink, purple, and red. Bright flowers bloom. They remind us of new growth. Okay. Holiday funds. Yellow and orange lions
I want
dance
the
to
color.
beat of the drum.
Blue.
Lion are symbol of strength and luck. Dum, 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 dum.
I got all the colors.
Lion dancer bring people good luck in the new year. Colorful, glowing lanterns light up the night sky.
Blue.
They mark the end of Chinese New Year. Dum, dum, dum. Colors fill the new year.
What's this color?
A lot of color.
Like what?
A lot of color. Gold and
I want-
and red and green and purple.
I like red.
People wishes for success, rich, and joyful year.
Yeah.
Okay, the end. Try it. Oh, ngủ. That's it. Go see mommy.
Read
More?
one more book.
Okay, one more
The
book.
Ugly Duckling.
The Ugly Duckling.
And who doesn't want to play with him?
The Ugly Duckling.
Who didn't want to play with him?
The Ugly Duckling. I don't know. Once upon a time, Mother Duck sat gently on her eggs, waiting for them to hatch. She had 3 small eggs in her nest. She left them for just
Daddy,
a moment.
Why this one gone?
I don't know, because they to take a drink from the river. But first,
Who drank
count
it?
1, 2, 3.
Who drinking it? Who drinking it?
Okay, so look, why she was away. So how many eggs she have?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so another egg, right? Dripping from the river to join the 3 eggs. So 4, right? So this egg from another duck, right? Or another bird. But this large egg came popping along the river and land plop. See? Mother duck was confused. See?
Why?
Because she only had 3 eggs. Why she have 4 eggs now? So this egg isn't hers, right?
Who's this for?
I don't know. But look, Mother duck said, it's okay. No matter, I shall look after it and love it as though it were my own, right? So, and she nested herself back to the nest and kept the eggs warm and snug. Okay, and 3 eggs hatch. Pop, pop, pop. 3 baby ducks, and then the last one pop. The next day, Mother Duck and her ducklings met an old turkey walking along the riverbank next to the farm. How strange! One of your ducklings looks. Gobble, the old turkey is ugly, said the 3 ducklings unkindly, and they peeped with delight. Honk, honk, said the ugly duckling. But Mother said, no matter, little one, I love you just the same. And they went on their way. See? So the brother and sister ducks think this duck is ugly. But mommy still loves the duck, right?
What's this one?
I don't know.
Baby.
A little while later, the duck family met 2 rude ducks who were quarreling in the barnyard. They stopped and stared when they saw the ugly duckling. What an ugly duckling, said one. Surely that cannot be a duck, said the other. They mean they very bad.
I'm gonna push them into the water.
See, what is Mother Duck do?
Stand up against them.
Exactly. Bullies. Mother Duck is standing up against the duck bullies. Leave him alone, said the Mother Duck. I'm sure he will grow up to be a fine duck. Honk, honk, said the ugly duckling. What is awful noise? Quack one duck. Is not natural? Quack the other. Come along, said the Mother Duck to her ducklings, and she led them away from the rude and bully ducks. The ugly duckling began to cry. I'm so ugly. Don't cry, little one, said Mother Duck. I love you just the same. Then the ugly duckling came up on 2 hands, pecking a seat on the riverbank.
There's a bully too. They're bullies.
They bully the ugly duckling. Thương ugly duckling quá. Come back here, called Mother Duck. And
I will put him in my arms and keep him warm.
look, time passed, and the days grew longer.
Mommy duck, what
No,
happened?
no, this is not my duck. That's an ugly duckling.
Ugly duckling?
Mm-hmm.
And what happened?
Shh, he's not a duck. He's a goose. Right?
He's a
a
goose.
swan, not a goose. But look, he's a swan.
What happened to his mommy?
No, it's not his mommy.
Who's that mommy?
He's a swan. He's a beautiful swan. He's not an ugly duckling. He is a beautiful swan.
He was a ugly. Where's the ugly duckling?
See? The end.
Yeah.
Thôi ngủ đây. Let's go. Go see mommy. Kiss mommy.
Away,